Hi everyone, my name is Jing Fen. I come from Certificate Catering Operation in IPK College. Actually, we all joined the BOTC Battle of the Chef. This is my product. My dish is duck breast with raspberry sauce. For the protein, we use duck used in dry aged in 1 week, and then got the raspberry sauce, and veggie got asparagus, carrot, orange and cherry tomatoes, and my touch I use mashed potato. The training course, everything is sponsored by IPK College. Thank you IPK College for giving me a chance to join the competition, and thank you so much. It's too much to want to thank you, and the time, and for our lecture also thank you for the teaching and sharing the experience.